Making the Move with Patty Tip.
Hi there, Patty Blossfeldt here, real estate agent with Coldwell Banker Realty in Morristown, New Jersey, and thanks for checking out my video, Making the Move with Patty Tip, where I only have a couple episodes left, and today is a little mishmash of ideas, but a lot of it is talking about the junk. I didn't think I had junk. I didn't think I needed a dumpster. And when my daughter, about a week and a half into the packing process, said, "Mom, we have to get a dumpster," I resisted. I said, there's no way. I plan to gift away so many of my items. She won the argument. She's very persistent in a very nice way. And I have to say, thank you, Emma, again, because that was a great idea. Getting that dumpster early in the sale or early in the packing process was great. It was a great way to get rid of a lot of things that nobody wants. And, you can only put so much stuff out, every week with your garbage. So we had this whole kitchen set in our basement that we were sort of using for storage. Well, I can't leave it with the house because when you go to sell a house, you can't leave items. So my daughter was down there with safety goggles, sledgehammer, crowbar, took that bad boy apart. And then my niece and nephew and her carried it all upstairs and put it in the dumpster. And that actually took up a big part. I just had an old recliner chair that didn't recline anymore. Nobody wanted it. In the dumpster it went. I also had my crib. Because of safety standards, it was no longer good. That was in the dumpster as well. So it was amazing. We filled the entire thing. And you only have like 7 or 10 days. So I use Junk Rescue in Morristown. I love them, super reliable, very efficient. And then I actually used them at the end of, right before I moved, because I had a whole pile of stuff that there was nothing I could do with. So they came and swooped in and took it away. And it was fabulous. So really, when it comes down to things like the junk, that it really just depends on how much time you have and money. Because yes, it does cost money to get rid of this stuff sometimes, but it also it can be done so quickly, which will help save you a lot of stress. Scrappers take metal. Definitely call them. They took all my kids' trophies and it was wonderful. My kids probably didn't like it, but no, they didn't care. They took it. Please contact me. I have so many contacts in my phone, or your real estate agent, because we really do. We have a lot of contacts of ways of getting rid of items. So, of course, you can always call your Vietnam vets because they'll come to your house as well and pick up, and you can drop off to Goodwill. I mean, there's many other places out there as well. So I have one episode left. And thanks again for stopping in. See you soon. Take care.
Making the Move with Patty Tip.